Unit 1. Lesson 1. Grammar. Question marker.
呢
Is a particle that is placed at the end of a subject, similar to how about, in English. For example,
你呢
means, how about you? The other example is,
他呢
means, how about him? It is often used after a sentence to ask about the other person's situation or opinion after you've shared your own. Take a look at this dialogue. If someone asks this,
我姓张，你呢
My surname is Zhang, how about you? The listener can answer by saying,
我姓王，
My surname is Wang. Another example. If someone asks this,
你姓王，他呢
Your surname is Wang, how about him? The listener can answer,
他姓张，
His surname is Zhang. Next, here are 2 exercises for you. Please translate the following 2 sentences into Mandarin. Practice 1. My surname is Wang, how about you? The answer is,
我姓王，你呢
Practice 2. Your surname is Zhang, how about him? The answer is,
你姓张，他呢
This is the end of the video. Next, it's your turn. Make a question using the question marker,
呢
and write your question in the comment.